Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to set up your home page on Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and launch Google Chrome. I don't currently have a home page, so I have the default Google Chrome. But to set the home page, all you need to do is go up to the top right and click these three dots. Go down to Settings. And then over here on the far left, on Startup, go ahead and click that. If that's not appearing for you, you can go to your search settings and you can just type in Startup. And that menu will appear as well. So I'll go ahead and click it just so you see it's the same menu. Now on this page, what you need to do, there are three options. The first option is open the new tab page, which is the default. Continue where you left off, which will bring up the pages and tabs you closed when you last closed out Chrome, or open a specific page or set of pages, which is creating your home page. So click that and then select add a new page. And here's where you're going to put in your URL. This could be google.com, it could be youtube.com, it could be any website you want. I'm going to put in my URL, quik.video, which will bring you to my YouTube page. Pretty cool. So I'm going to add that as my home page. And so now if I close Chrome and I open it again, quik.video is going to be my home page. Now, if I click the plus here to add a new tab, it's not going to go to my home page. Unfortunately, Chrome at this time does not have the ability to have the new tab be your home page. You will need to download an extension for this option. I will link an extension in the description below. I've never tested it myself, but I see there's a bunch of reviews on it, positive reviews that I found online. But obviously do your own research on that as well. But I'll show you another way to overcome this if you don't want to download an extension. So we have here the new tab. What we can do to kind of get around the homepage issue on the new tab, go back to your settings by going to the top right and clicking the three dots again. Go to settings, and this time go to appearance. Again, you could type in appearance in the settings if you don't see it, but go to appearance. And then go to the option where it says show home button. I have it disabled. I'm going to go ahead and enable it. And then I'm going to enter a custom web address. And again, this can be different. I could actually put in google.com here instead of quik.video. But for the sake of this, I'm going to put in quik.video again, because that is what I want it to be. I'm going to click off it so it saves. And now I'm going to open up a new tab. It's going to stay the new tab page. But in the top left, there's a new icon. It's a little home button. Before I turned it on, this button wasn't here. So if I click this, it's going to bring me back to my home page. And that is how you get to your home page, create a home page, and mess with the homepage settings in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.